day to each and everyone. I am Aliyah Rania Abdul Momin from BSED English 2B. Then I am discussing to you, or I will be discussing to you this afternoon, is the lesson for this week, which is the um, module 8, wherein we have to discuss the following, which is the Hans Christian Andersen's fairy tales, Grimm's fairy tales, Disney versus Grimm's original version of children fairy tales, the 1001 Nights, the Tale of Peter Rabbit, the Curious George, and the Charlotte's Web, and lastly is the Winnie the Pooh. So we have here in the number 1 is the Hans Charles Andersen fairy tales. So these fairy tales features various protagonists such as the Little Mermaid, the Ugly Duckling, and the Steadfast, the Tin Soldier, often exploring the themes of the lion's transformation and the human condition, set in a fantastical world filled with anthropomorphic creatures and magical elements. Anderson's stories imports moral lesson about love, acceptance, and the pursuit of one's self-stream. They typically set in a whimsical landscape or within the confines of ordinary life. Infused with a sense of wonder and imagination, the lesson often revolves around the acceptance of inner beauty, kindness, and staying true to yourself um, despite of one's adversity. So the next one we have is the Grimm's fairy tales. So in Grimm's fairy tales, we have here um, the star characters like Cinderella, Snow White, Hansel and Gretel, weaving dark and cautionary narratives that delves into themes of morality, justice, and consequences of human folly. The setting ranged from the enchanted forest to humble cottage, reflecting both the magical and mundane aspects of the um, life. These stories are imbued with a sense of foreboding and peril, often set in against of a backdrop of the medieval Europe. The lesson within these tales emphasizes the virtues of courage, resourcefulness, the triumph of good over evil through sometimes at great cost. So the next one we have is Disney versus Grimm's. This comparison constructs the sanitized cheerful version of fairy tales presented by the Disney with the darker, more cautionary tales from the Brothers Grimm's. So while in Disney often focuses on the happy ending and moral lesson, Grimm's tales delves into a Grimm's realities for their actions. The setting in the Disney adaptation tends to be colorful and enchanting, while in the Grimm's version features more ominous and treacherous landscape. The lesson here lies in the recognizing the stark differences between entertainment and the original moral message embedded within these classical tales. So the next one we have is the original version of children's fairy tales. This explores the origin of well-known fairy tales, tracing their evolution from traditional to the written world, often with a darker and more morally complex themes. Characters like the Little Red Riding Hood and the Sleeping Beauty undergoes transformation into a original rendition within the setting, ranging from the um, rustic village to enchanted forest. The lesson here underscores the importance of understanding the cultural context and the intended moral lesson behind these timeless stories, which often diverge significantly from modern adaptation. So the next one is we have is the 1001 Nights. The collection of Middle Eastern folk tales follows the adventure of Sherehad, who tells a story to her husband, the king, to delay her execution. The main characters in these tales include Aladdin, Ali Baba, and Sinbad the Sailor. Journeying through exotic locales filled with magic and mystery, the setting span across the ancient Arabia, showcasing the rich cultural tapestry of the region. The lesson of perseverance with the power of storytelling to change this destinies from throughout these tales, highlighting the enduring allure of the human imagination. So the next one we have is The Tale of Peter Rabbit, which is a classical children's story by um, Beatrix Potter. Follows the mischievous Peter Rabbit as he uh, disobeys his mother and uh, ventures into Mr. McGregor's garden, facing various challenges doing the way or along the way. Set in the English countryside, this story features atmospheric animals and charming illustration capturing the essence of rural life. The lesson revolves around the consequences and um, of disobedience and the importance of listening to wise counsel as Peter learns the value of responsibility um, and the danger of recklessness. The next one we have is The Curious George. This series follows the adventure of George, a playful and curious monkey, and his friends, the man with the yellow hat, set in a various locations such as the jungle, the city, and the countryside. George escapes often lead to comical mishap and valuable life lesson. The themes of curiosity and exploration permeates throughout, highlighting the joy of discovering and the importance of friendship and problem solving. The next one is we have is the Charlotte Web um, the novel centers around the friendship between a pig named Wilbur and a spider named Charlotte, who saves him from slaughter by spinning message in her web. Set on a farm in rural America, the story explores themes of friendship, sacrifice, and the cycle of the life and death. The lesson underscores the significance of empathy, kindness, and the endurance impact of a small act of goodness, and demonstrated by Charlotte Webb's devotion to her friends. The last one we have is the Winnie the Pooh. So Winnie the Pooh, um, it is a bear, a honey-loving bear, and his friends in the Hundred Acre Woods, including Piglet, Hero, and Tigger. It is set in a picturesque forest. These stories exudes timeless charm of innocence, celebrating friendship, imagination, and simple joy of life. Lesson emphasizes the importance of command raids, reliance, and embracing oneself unique quirks as Pooh and his friends navigate the ups and downs of their whimsical world. So that's all for this Module 8. I hope you learned something for this afternoon, and thank you for listening and watching.